What is going, guys? Super excited to be getting this one in the house right here. So right now you're listening to me with a boom mic that I have right down here, and it's just pointing straight at me. I got a DJI mic mini right here, and I'm gonna test it out comparing to that boom mic right there. I do have a DJI mini, no, I do have a DJI mic 1 and DJI mic 2, and I will do a separate video to compare that with this product right here, just to let you see like the range and how good it is and things like that. But today I'm just gonna give you a sample of this compared to my boom mic. And so here's the thing, as I'm unboxing this, I'm gonna walk away and talk at the same time, and you're gonna see that my voice is actually like fading off into the background, and you can't really hear me that well. And so that's the issue with like a boom mic. It's great for if you stand right in front of it and talk, by the way. Also great for like unboxing stuff too. So yeah, that's a problem with boom mic right there. If I get to the side and stuff like that, you won't hear me as clearly as you should be. But with wireless mic like these, they're great because you can walk around the room and you can do whatever you want to do. And if I were to turn this direction right here, it would sound just as good as if I were to turn to this direction. And that's the issue with boom mics versus wireless mic like this, right? I just got this one in. It's been out for a while actually, and I have been trying to avoid buying it because I do have a mic 1 and mic 2 already, which I won't get into on why I bought this, even though I have a wireless mic, DJI mic 1 and 2 already. But I will talk about that in the video where I'm comparing those mics with this one. Anyway, this is pretty cool. Look at this. Comes with a little pouch that you can just throw whatever in. Now, they used to come with these pouch. They used to come with these pouch right here for the mic 1 and mic 2, which is kind of cumbersome. I mean, it's great, but I think a pouch like this where you just throw stuff in there is actually a better option in my opinion. The version that I got is the one with the case, with the 2 mics, you know, the full on. I don't know why I always get 2 mics, by the way. Oh, the reason why I always get the 2 mic is because the 2 mic package is the one that actually comes with the nice case. And this is the exact same reason why I got the 2 mic version right here. Even though I'm only a one-man show where I'm just talking. Yeah, the 2 mic is the one that comes with the case, and I didn't want to buy it separately. The case feels the same as the mic 2 case, by the way. It's square, and it has this little latch right here. Got some battery cover, the battery indicator up on right here. And then USB-C on the back, big old DJI logo up on the top here. And that is pretty much it. Yeah, it feels just like the mic 2. Now here's the thing, interesting thing that I saw in the promo material is these baby right here. Not these, but anyway, it comes with all the cords and stuff like that you need to charge and to plug into your camera and things like that, okay? But here's the thing that I saw that was like, oh, you know, that is definitely an upgrade. So there are these wind muffs wind muffs that comes with it. Oh wow, look, I didn't realize this, but they actually come with different flavors. So these are gray, and then you see there are black ones too. They give you 4 of them, and you can pick black or gray. Okay, so the reason why I was like, one of the coolest features that I saw, which is what they should have done in the mic 2, was that you can use these wind muffs while in the case. So let me see here. Let me make sure that I'm plugging it in correctly. So one of the features that I saw was that you can actually now close the case with the wind muff in there. This one right here comes with a USB-C dongle that you can use on here, which mic 1 and mic 2 both come with it. The only thing it doesn't come with is the lightning adapter, which, by the way, all of my phones are really on USB-C now, not lightning anymore. So it's a good choice that they did that. You can get that thing separately if you still have lightning phones, lightning iPhones. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Okay. But yeah, you can take this thing out and then, you know, attach it to the receiver right here. And if you don't know anything about the DJI mics themselves, they usually are magnetic. So the great part about it is that there's this magnet right here, this little chip magnet, and then it just attached to it. And so what it does is that you can put the magnet behind your shirt here, and then you can put this mic right here. So right there, it just stays right there. The reason why I wanted this mic versus my mic 2 and mic 1 is that it's lightweight. Notice it doesn't pull my shirt down as much. And that was the second biggest thing that I saw that I really want was every time I wear the mic 2, it just kind of hangs like this, you know, because it's a lot heavier. It has more tech inside of it, obviously. So the Mini actually does what the mic 2 does, but without the heavy weight. Now, the only difference, and once again, I'll get into more details in another video with the comparison, but the thing that the Mini and versus the mic 2 is that the Mini itself, there isn't a little screen, which, hold on, I'm going in the right way. Oh, okay, the other way. So I have a mic attached here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this mic back into the box and close it with the wind muff on there. I really like that, by the way. Okay, now I'm gonna do a recording right here so that you guys can actually see the actual recording. All right, so right now, it should be going through the mic right here. Tapping 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to try to sync the audio up so you guys can kind of see that. But yeah, right here. Tapping 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So right now you're probably hearing, oh, it's pretty quiet in here. But I'm going to turn on that one feature that I was telling you about. Wait, actually, it's already on. You see, it's green right here. So it's already on. So let me turn that off. Okay, now that's off. So now the audio should sound a little bit more like binaural, I guess. I don't know. You can probably hear my PC in the background here humming and things like that. Now you can press the button and then, yeah, that's green right there. It's on. So now you can hear that it's blocking out a lot of the humming and things like that. It's kind of like noise cancellation on headphones. I don't know what the tech is, but I just know that it works really, really well. Now, here's the thing, right? So now let's just walk around because now you guys can probably hear me, even though I'm way back here and turning my back and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not using that mic anymore, so now I have the freedom to just walk around. Yeah. So to me, that's a big driver to buy wireless mic right there, so that I can just turn around, grab stuff from the table, bring it to you guys, and still have the same audio as I do when I'm standing in front of you. And so anyway, guys, that's it right there. That's a quick test, quick unboxing, and letting you know the reason why I got this mic versus me having a bunch of other mics. Super lightweight, works with everything, phone. Anyhow, I hope you guys find this one useful. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.